Abortion, Roe v. Wade overturned, by Ashley Bowles. My thesis is nearly 70 million women have unwanted pregnancies each year. With the overturn of Roe v. Wade, at least 24 states are expected to ban to restrict access to basic health care, which is abortions. This will indicate an overall increase in maternal deaths and unsafe abortions across the United States. So let's take a look about how it was before Roe v. Wade. Before Roe v. Wade in the 1960s, millions of women were having illegal abortions. If they could not find someone to do back alley abortions for them, then they would rely on themselves. In 1965, the Society for Humane Abortion, SHA, released a statement stating that abortion should just be like any other surgical procedure. Before the landmark decision, the case of Dobbs v. Jackson Women's Health Organization was brought before the Supreme Court. Dobbs v. Jackson Women's Health Organization was an appeals case from Mississippi which was brought before the Supreme Court in banning abortions after the 15th week of pregnancy and holding that the Constitution does not provide a right to an abortion, and the court overruled Roe. During and after Roe, Wade got overturned. On January 22, 1973, the Roe v. Wade decision marked the decision that the Constitution protected the right to an abortion. However, in June of 2020, that all changed on a 6-3 vote. 64% of all Americans said they did not want the decision overturned. After Roe v. Wade got overturned continued, 13 states, Arkansas, Idaho, Kentucky, Louisiana, Mississippi, Missouri, North Dakota, Oklahoma, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, and Wyoming all have trigger laws which ban abortions and make the procedure of abortion a felony. Planned Parenthood also issued a statement condemning the Supreme Court's ruling. How women felt and pro-choice believers. Anger and dismay swept women's lives after the overturn. There are many reasons as to why a woman might want an abortion. For example, rape, learning their child might be disabled, the father being abusive, or simply just wanting one, and it should be within their right, but due to the overturn it is not. For people pro-choice, they believe abortion is necessary for and morally justified by quality of life considerations. Statistics. In March 2020, maternal deaths jumped by a third among blacks and Hispanics. In the same period, maternal deaths among white women increased by 17%. States that still protect Roe v. Wade. There are still several states that pass laws and provisions to protect the right to abortions. 16 states have some form of legal protections for abortions enshrined in state law. Those states include California, Delaware, Hawaii, Illinois, Maine, Massachusetts, Nevada, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Rhode Island, Vermont, and Washington. Questions. The questions still remain: where will we be 50 years from now? Will our rights, women's productive rights, still be taken away from us? Only time will tell. And here is my works cited.